What's going on? Fearless here. Today I'm going to be riding the Baja through Jamesburg Park Woods, also known as Jamesburg Park Conservation Area. This is some of the best trails in central Jersey. This is the pipeline area I'm in now, which on the map would be approximately right there. Anyway, the park itself is about 2,000 acres, easy. And then there's other sections that aren't part of the park and fields and stuff, and I'd say total 3,000 acres. Now, technically you're not supposed to ride out here, but everybody does. The locals do. I do. I've never had an issue. I've never been bothered by the park rangers myself, but I have heard of it occurring, and I heard they're dicks, but I don't know if there's anything they really can do other than chase you out of here. Now, knock on wood that I don't end up seeing them today, but yeah, you know, as long as you keep it clean, you know, be safe and share the road with folks, you shouldn't have a problem. You know, they hunt out here. You know, obviously you got your hikers and your bird watchers, and you'll also see lots of wildlife. I saw a whole flock of turkeys last fall, deer, bear, all kinds of stuff. And today is October 7th, 2018. It's, let's see, about 3:55. It's about 80 degrees, a little bit humid, but overall a beautiful day. And you're gonna come along with me and take the ride with me through Jamesburg Park and see how great it is. It really is great. All kinds of different terrain. I mean, you've got the sand pits, you got the mud pits, you got fields, you got the trails through the woods. It crosses a couple roads. I mean, it's awesome. It's really great. It's known as the northernmost section of the Pine Barrens, really, up here in central Jersey, in Middlesex County, basically Jamesburg, you know. And you know, like I said, also, if you live in this area and if you're looking to go riding with somebody, I'd be more than happy to go riding with you. You know, I'm always looking for people to ride with. So, you know, if you're in the same situation where you like to go riding and you're looking for someone to ride with, hit me up. I'll be happy to ride with you. This Baja keeps up with quads. It actually smokes quads. So, and I think the rangers, they use quads. So if I was ever to see one, I could probably outrun them. Like I said, I don't know if they can actually do anything. They could probably get the law out here, but these woods cross 4 different sections of towns, 4 or 5 different towns. So, you know, it'd be kind of hard. If you could outrun them, they ain't gonna be able to catch it and buy you. Like I said, I've never seen them, and I've ridden out here multiple times over the years. So, but just keep that in mind. You're not really supposed to ride out here, you know, but as long as you don't go crazy, and if they're not out here, you'll be fine. All right, like I said, right now we're right here. We're gonna be heading that direction. This area got ripped up again a little bit more. I mean, if you got a dirt bike, you'll be fine, or even a quad. My mini bike will be okay in most of it, except for that real heavy section. I'm not going to be spending much time over in this area. I'm going to be heading into the woods and the actual sand pits that you'll see. I do see some waters from when it rained heavy, so there are still some puddles, a little bit more than usual. There's one section that you have to get through. When it rains a lot, you can't get through it if it's real heavy. Unless you have a quad or a dirt bike and you can get past it, that one section, which takes you out of Jamesburg Park Woods it's just the woods. That section, my guess would be that area is going to be flooded out, so I won't be able to get through it with this. But that's only one section. So other than that, let's get started. Let me go ahead and get this on, get this going. But like I said, hit me up, and if you want to ride, definitely ride with us. quads, dirt bikes. I won't be able to keep up with dirt bikes, but I'll be able to keep up and stay with quads. And actually, you'll have to stay up with me on a quad, but that's no big deal. And I'm just going to repeat this one more time without saying where my location is. I am in some of the best trails in central Jersey, okay? I'm about to ride the Baja through. It's 2,000 acres in the park itself. And then all together, not including the park, it's easily 3,000 acres. Now, if you want to know where this is, PM me and I'll be happy to give you the coordinates. Just make sure you keep it clean, share the road, and you'll be good. All right, let's get this baby on the road. Let's trailblaze the dirt. Make sure I'm all locked up here. So I am. Okay, here we go. Full tank of gas. Got an hour of footage. You're gonna ride through this with me. Bear with me a second, getting situated. And I have the app that tells me how many miles I'm going, my speed and direction. All right, here we go. Mud. More mud than I like. See, I don't usually have this much mud going through here. Alright, here we go. Oh, look at this. Somebody put this down on purpose just so you couldn't ride through here. That's fucked up. Where it drops, but man. Hold on, I gotta get this out of the way. That ain't no good. Sometimes you get the occasional fallen tree, but I mean, this almost looks like it was put here purposely, which is fucked up. And getting it out of here isn't going to be easy, so that sucks, man. If you got a dirt bike, oh man, that sucks. This is one of the best spots too. I mean, this is 2,000 acres, but that sucks that this is here like this. That's fucked up, man. I almost think somebody put that there on purpose. Hold on. Let me see if I can do something about this. I'm gonna have to just, yeah. I'm gonna have to pick this up and go over it. That sucks. It's too heavy for me to move on my own. Many of them I move on my own. Can't move that one. It's too much, too heavy. So, all right, hopefully that'll be the last of that for a while. A lot of mud out here from all the rain we've been getting lately. I know these trails really well, so I'm going to be able to go pretty fast. Hopefully I won't lose my wallet or phone and my pocket. Yeah, these trails are awesome. So far, only one interference. Now we're heading into the woods. Yeah, some of these seem like they were put here on purpose by assholes that don't, you know, people that walk the trail and don't want people riding it. Most of them you can get over or move, but that one was right in the way. I'm stopping for a second just to light a smoke, make sure my shit ain't coming out of my pockets. But that'll have to be moved because that area down there, that's a straightaway where you can get going pretty fast usually. So I'm sure if it ain't me, somebody else will get that moved eventually. I haven't been here since March. Don't mind the funny noises. This Baja's been through a lot. Oh yeah. What the hell? Look at this. I guess the tree just fell. What's happening here? A lot of them though. Look at this. It's like somebody purposely did this shit, you know? Fucked up. This one too, they look like they're purposely put here. Usually this is all cleaned up. It's not too bad. Luckily it's not blocked. Man, it's bad. Like this. Oh, you gotta go this way. It looks like it's falling naturally, but some of this shit, it really looks like people have been messing with this on purpose. How am I gonna get around, right? Man, never been like this before. How the fuck am I gonna get around this shit? Damn, man. Hold on. I gotta use my pocket knife. It's fucked up. Never been this bad before in this many spots. Hopefully it's not all like this. Look at this shit, man. Some of us riders are definitely going to have to come out here and clear our trails. This is insane. There's the trail, but I don't know, it's a pain in the ass to get over to it right now. It's fucked up. Even with a dirt bike, it'd be tough getting through some of this shit. Almost back on it. Looks like we're going to have more hell to go through real soon.